Narcissistic behavior in relationships can be damaging and difficult to recognize at first. Understanding the signs of narcissism is essential to protecting yourself and fostering healthy connections. Here are some key indicators to help you identify narcissistic behavior in your relationships. 1. Excessive need for admiration. One of the hallmark traits of a narcissist is an overwhelming need for admiration and validation. They crave constant attention and will often fish for compliments. This need is insatiable, and no matter how much praise you give, it's never enough. Have you noticed someone in your life constantly seeking approval or praise? 2. Lack of empathy. Narcissists struggle to understand or care about the feelings of others. They often dismiss or downplay the emotions of those around them, focusing solely on their own needs and desires. This lack of empathy can leave you feeling neglected or unimportant. Do you feel like your emotions are consistently overlooked or invalidated? 3. Grandiose sense of self-importance. A narcissist often believes they are superior to others and have an exaggerated sense of their own abilities or achievements. They may talk excessively about their successes or expect special treatment. This sense of superiority can manifest in conversations where they dominate the discussion, always steering it back to themselves. Have you noticed someone who frequently brags or insists they're better than others? 4. Manipulative behavior. Narcissists are skilled at manipulating others to get what they want. They may use tactics like guilt-tripping, lying, or playing the victim to control situations and people. This manipulation is often subtle, making it difficult to recognize until you're deeply entangled. Have you felt like someone is trying to control or manipulate your actions or emotions? 5. Lack of accountability. Narcissists rarely take responsibility for their actions. They are quick to blame others for their mistakes or shortcomings and will avoid acknowledging any fault. This lack of accountability often leads to unresolved conflicts as the narcissist refuses to admit they were wrong. Do you know someone who never seems to own up to their mistakes? 6. Exploitation of others. A narcissist may use people for their own benefit without considering the impact on those individuals. They view relationships as transactional, only giving when they expect something in return. This exploitative behavior can be emotionally draining and leaves you feeling used. Have you experienced someone taking advantage of you without regard for your well-being? 7. Inability to handle criticism. Narcissists have a fragile ego and can't handle criticism, no matter how constructive it is. They may react with anger, denial, or even try to turn the blame on you. This hypersensitivity to criticism makes it difficult to address issues or have open, honest conversations. Have you noticed someone reacting overly defensively to any form of critique? 8. Envy and jealousy. Narcissists are often envious of others and believe that others are envious of them. This jealousy can lead to competitive behavior, where the narcissist tries to outshine or undermine those they perceive as a threat. Have you noticed someone displaying signs of jealousy or trying to compete with you unnecessarily? 9. Superficial relationships. Narcissists tend to have shallow relationships because they are more interested in what others can do for them rather than building deep, meaningful connections. They may have many acquaintances but few true friends. Over time, you may notice that their relationships lack depth or sincerity. Have you observed someone with a lot of surface-level connections but no real close relationships? 10. Gaslighting. Gaslighting is a form of manipulation where the narcissist makes you doubt your own reality or feelings. They might deny events that happened, twist your words, or make you feel like you're overreacting. This behavior is designed to make you question your sanity and stay under their control. Have you ever felt confused or doubted your own memory after a conversation with someone? Recognizing these signs of narcissistic behavior is the first step in protecting yourself and making informed decisions about your relationships. If these traits sound familiar, it might be time to evaluate the health of your relationship and consider seeking support. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more valuable content.